In New South Wales, Australia, a surfer is about to become dinner for a shark, but a drone saves his life. This footage is incredible. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and if you enjoy these kind of videos, hit that subscribe button below. Also consider joining our club for a number of exciting perks and benefits. But anyway, in New South Wales, there's an organisation called SURF Lifesaving, and they're absolutely brilliant. They have 129 clubs and operate at 34 locations, with the core goal being to make surfing safer. Not only do they offer public first aid training, but they've also now got a new shark mitigation program. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? But the best part about it is that they're utilising drones. On this specific day, World Championship surfer Matt Wilkinson is surfing just off the coast of Sharps Bay in Australia, when luckily a routine patrol from a surf life-saving operator spotted a shark circling him. Now, the report says that the shark was approximately 1.5 metres, but Matt is 1.8 metres tall and the shark is longer than him, so we think it's more like 2 metres. Put simply, it's a big shark and Matt is in a great deal of danger here. Sharks often mistake surfers for seals, and that potentially is what might be about to happen here. However, and very luckily, the drone being flown here is a DJI Mavic Enterprise, and it has equipped to the top of it that little speaker attachment. Yes, the attachment that everybody laughed about and said that's pointless. Well, actually, here it's really showing its true worth. The operator of the drone uses a microphone to shout to the surfer and warn him that a shark is about to eat him, and you can see immediately the shark runs and disappears. The surfer's now aware that there's a shark in the area and he returns safely to the shore. Just goes to show really that drones do have a true value, and we really hope that stories like this circulate much more often in the press and media, hopefully stories with a happy ending, of course, like this. If you want to read more about Surf Lifesaving, go and see their website or their Facebook page, and links are in the video description below. Comment on this video with your thoughts, give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're a bit of a shark. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.